Do you know that Windows and Microsoft Office has been written in C++ and C language? In this video, we are going to create a guess game in which a computer will decide a number between 1 and 100, and we will give tries and try to guess that number, and in how many tries we guess that number, the computer will tell us. So let's get started. First of all, we will include the library of bits/stdc++.h. Now we will try to see first random function, like to generate a random number. So first of all, we will create string, time and 0. And in second, we will create an int variable in which we will call the random function, and we will use the modulus 10 plus 1. It means that give us a random number between the range of 1 and 10. So let's see if it works. Slash endline. Alright, let's run it. And yeah, it gave random number. Yes, it is working. Alright, as you can see, it's 3. Now let's continue our main topic, which is building a guess game. First of all, we will create a variable for tries in which we will store the number of tries. Then we will create a while loop, and this is totally beginner friendly. Like if you're learning C++ and you are at basic level, you can create it and use it as fun. So we will create while input is not equal to random number, means that the number user enter is not equal to the number which has been created by a computer, random number. Till that time it will show the message again and again. Alright, so we have declared input is equal to 0 as well, because 0 is not included in the range, that's why it cannot be equal to random number. So first of all, we will see or display a message of enter a guess number, guess a number. Enter a guess number. Alright, then we will do cin input. Alright, now we will write if random number is greater than the input, then we will write the input number is too low, like it is lower than the guessed number by computer. So we have generated this message, and then we will put end line. End line does it takes the control to the next line. Alright, and then we will say if the random number is less than input, means that the user has entered a number which is higher than the guessed number. For example, the guessed number is 50 and the user has entered 55 or 90, it will show this message. Then we will just simply at the end we will increment, means increase one number of tries. Like if tries are 3, then it has run and user has failed to enter the right number, then it will do tries is equal to 4. So now we will display a message at the end that you have guessed correct number in the number of tries. And C++ is really interesting. A lot of people hate it, but no, if you're a beginner, you can easily learn, and it's not that difficult. So let's run it. Too low, too high. Let's try this. Still too high. Let's try 82. 3. Alright, still high. 82 is also high, means 81 is the right number. And we have guessed in 7 tries. Wow, that's insane. Means that we have created successfully a game in which we can ask computer to guess a number, create a guessing number, and we guess it. We try to guess it. And we can create opposite as well. That's not hard. So let's do a secret and see the guess number in advance. See, we have done in one tries. Wow, we are so intelligent, but actually we are just cheating. Alright, it's working well. Inside, it's alright. Like, we have successfully created. That's it. Like, that's really great. And we can take name also. So we can, like, at the end say congratulations with it. So let's do it. Here we have taken name as input in the beginning. Like, first of all, we will ask the user to enter its name. Alright, congratulations, name. Okay, that's it. Now let's try. If it works, I will write Azim, and now the guess number is 24. So let's guess it. Wow, congratulations, Azim. You have guessed correct number in 2 tries. Look, we have created a game within 5 minutes, I guess. That's really great. And you can also do this. You can further do more things in it. You can put this program into functions and call it from there. There can be a lot of things, but this is the basic level.